In ancient times, there was a tradition of every town having a patron god or a goddess who would be the protector of the city and who would make sure that it knows peace and prosperity. In the case of Athens, two gods wanted to take that role. The first one being Poseidon, god of the sea, the second one being Athena, goddess of wisdom. Those two would have a competition up on the rock of the Acropolis, and the one with the best gift would become the protector of the city. So Poseidon begins first. Taking his trident, he's making a hole on the ground of the Acropolis from which salted water starts to flow. Water is an amazing gift, but salted water? Poseidon, what were you thinking? So Athena goes second. She's offering the Athenians an olive tree. And what would you choose as a gift for your city? An olive tree. And that's how Athena becomes the protector of the city of Athens. And that's why, even so many thousand years after, we're calling ourselves Athenians. Now,